Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix digital rights error Amazon Prime Firefox. So guys, if you ever wondered, first thing is you could just simply go for the three lines on the top right corner, and you should be able to see here the settings. Now here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and utilize the search bar. Now over here, you could just simply search for digital, and you will have digital rights management content. So just make sure to uncheck this one, and mostly that can fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't work out, what you could try to do is you could just simply refresh the page of your tab by clicking on the refresh over here. If it doesn't, you could just simply completely close the Firefox and open it up again. Now, if it still doesn't work out, if you have a Widevine plugin, just make sure you are running the latest version. So just simply select the plugin icon and go for the gear icon over here and go for the manage extension, and just make sure you have the automatic updates turned on over here so you won't have any issue. Now, if it still doesn't work out, you would just simply go ahead and go for the settings, privacy and security, and then go for the clear browsing data, and clearing your data will reset your Firefox, and mostly this will fix your issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.